I'm going to show you how to use Claude to find the best and most profitable wallets on Polymarket to Copytrade. And I personally think this beats any single tool leaderboard that there is out there just because it finds the exact wallets that you're looking for. And you know, I have to say that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before moving in on the crypto and Web3 space. Now down below there are chapters so you can fast forward to the different sections that you want to help you navigate the video easier. Anyway, let's kick on with the video. Now, first up, what you're gonna need is Claude Code. So you're gonna need Claude and get the upgraded version. Then up here, head over to Code. Then what you're gonna do is hit New Session. Ignore what I've got here. There's a video coming out on that shortly. What you wanna do is you wanna click down here. Yours won't say whether it'll be this little box. We'll hit Open Folder. We're gonna call this Banger Wallets. And there we're good to go. Now you may need to install Homebrew, and if you run into any issues, just ask Claude what to do and it'll tell you where to go. So if you're missing a particular thing, that's what you should do. So now we just put a prompt in to look for the wallets that we want. So I put in this prompt. I want to find profitable Polymarket wallets and traders that specifically trade in the esports niche. Now, what you'll then see is it's going to just run through. So it is installing what's running the Bullpen CLI. I'll have a link down below. You don't need that, but it does help with a bit of the backend. And what it's going to do is Claude is going to scour all of the different leaderboards, all the different traders, all of the open positions, people that have made good P&Ls, all of that stuff, everything in between, and find those traders that are specifically in the esports niche. And then I'm gonna, look, this can take about sort of 10 minutes or so. I'll fast forward through this, and then it gets to the very good stuff on the other end. Okay, now here's the good part. If we have a look here, what it's gone through is it's gone through and ranked a bunch. So we can see all of the people here, their 7-day P&Ls, win rates, all of that kind of stuff, and then also their niche specifically. So you can see these guys are on Dota 2, and then notable, and then see, look, I don't know sports, so I'm not sure if this means anything, but these guys have been kind of throwing down on CS2, insider score, 30-day win rates, all of that. Now, like I said, here is where it gets fun. So it goes, the highest priority, you're going this one with the 100% win rate. It's most likely an insider. What we're actually going to do, this is, it says it's just statistically anomalous. With the highest priority wallets, if we had a bankroll of $100 total, what would our P&L be over the last 7 days if we traded alongside of them? And then we let Claude run. Now, this is basically a back test. And this is when you really get to narrow it down because it's not just based off the P&L or the 7-day that you might see in a leaderboard. It's actually going to be based off what you do. And now you can start to tailor it to how you trade. So what we can actually do is start to then give it specifics. We've gone $100 across all three. It'll give us some trades, give us some P&Ls. We can then ask more questions. We can then go, what if we only took one of their trades? Because we can see here that one of them is a scalper. So he might do a lot of volume. So he might not actually be worth trading. Could cut him off. And this is also why having the Bullpen CLI is great. It's actually added some of the wallets to a tracker, so we're actually not going to lose them. We've got them locked in. Just in case you lose this chat, something gets deleted, it's locked in. That's what I mean by having the Bullpen thing is nice to have in the back end, but it's not necessarily needed for following the wallets, but we'll touch on that shortly. And look, here are the results that it gives us. It's allocated $33.33 per wallet. And it says here that with Speak Easy, we would have been up 43% on our allocation. This guy, it still has one bet open, so with nothing there and then nothing there. So on our $100, we'd be up 14%, which is $14. And it's basically because of this top guy, Speak Easy. Now I like these results, so I'll nail down and then run back 30 days to see what the back test would be like with their P&L and then scaling with the wins that we have to let that compound. And here are the results. It's run through and given us a breakdown of what's actually happened. And overall, it's made a gain of 43% over the 30 days. Now, it did say that the driving factor was a huge week in week 4, which was the last week when Dream League Season 25 started and they were making a bunch of trades. So for the sake of brevity in this video, just say we like the wallet, we've done the research, we're happy with it, and we want to go ahead. There are 3 ways that you could then copy them. The first way is using something like a Telegram bot. It's quite simple, very effective, runs 24/7. You don't need any of this tech, but if you're doing this, you kind of already have the tech. So I've asked for the wallet address. What you then do is copy this wallet address, paste it into something like Polycop, which is my favorite, link down below. You can then go through and then set the trades and parameters that you want to do with take profits, stop losses, all of that good stuff. You can put that in. Number 2 is Bullpen. So we'll tell it to set up the Bullpen trading and let's copy Speak Easy. Now, as it's running through here, it'll run through any troubleshooting issues. If it needs to do anything, it'll do it for you and just let you approve it. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to actually log in and have a Bullpen account, fund the wallet, all of that. Now, if you go link down below, it can take you through to Bullpen. You can then fund the wallet that way. And then in here, it'll tell you to actually log into Bullpen. So you can then log in here, click a link like this, and then it'll give you this code, copy and paste that code. It basically links your Bullpen account with Claude so it can then make trades on your behalf. The other thing is you could then set up a monitor here so you can then make the trades personally on Polymarket and just get the notifications through here. So can we set up a trigger signal to, so a routine that runs every hour, and then when they make a trade, it basically pings us here. And what it's going to do is it's going to build that out. So it's going to track the wallet for us, and then we will be able to be notified when the wallet makes a trade, and then we can move in on that trade. Now, a big caveat here is we will be slower on the execution of that trade. So we may get slipped out. We may end up getting a worse entry. But if we're, runs every hour, here we go. Head up to routines, and we can hear speak easy trade alert, and you can see it's just going to keep running every hour to let us know if they're making any trades. But yes, like I said, a caveat here is we will be slower on the trades when they do pop up, but this way we don't need to let anything control any wallets. We can do all the trading on our own terms, and yeah, like that. So yeah, I don't want to turn this video into something too complex, too crazy, but that is the best way to find wallets that trade on Polymarket so you can then copy them and how to actually copy them. It's really good to find a niche or a sub niche of a trader that has an edge. And you're not just going to a leaderboard of people that have these $1 million P&Ls. You're going to these leaderboards that have, well, not even leaderboards, you're finding these wallets that are making these active trades. You're then doing a back test and see if it fits in your risk tolerances and how it all works. And anytime you come up with a question, a different strategy, a different theory, you just ask Claude, it'll run the test, give it back to you, and then you can then end up making that decision and then just hopefully finding some wallets and making some good trades. I've done this before with an NBA bot. I'm doing it right now with a weather bot. That video is going to come out soon. It's absolute cracker. So there's a bunch of really cool things that you can do because all of the data is on chain. It's there, it's available, and it just makes it incredibly easy to find those wallets and then hopefully make a bit of money on Polymarket. If you enjoyed the video, go down there, drop some love. I'd very much appreciate it. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.